Model, 2019 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue Trend Spares OR Repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 108,260. MOT, 2 February 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, timing belt has snapped. Nice easy job on this 2.0 engine. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, air-con, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.